Ever heard of the $50 billion man? What if I told you he turned a mere $820 into a multi-million-dollar fortune? Let's talk about Dan Pena, a name that echoes in the halls of entrepreneurial success. An American trailblazer, a business tycoon, a motivational powerhouse, and a man known for his unconventional and intense approach to life and business. He's not just a man, he's a phenomenon, often referred to as the $50 billion man. Dan's extraordinary success story is a testament to his involvement in a plethora of business ventures, spanning realms from real estate to oil and natural gas. But what makes him stand out? Imagine this. An investment of just $820, a gamble, some might say, turned into a fortune worth millions in the oil industry during the 80s. Sounds like a tale straight out of a Hollywood movie, doesn't it? But that's Dan Pena for you, a man who dares to dream big and works relentlessly to turn those dreams into reality. But his journey doesn't stop there. Dan is also the mastermind behind the Quantum Leap Advantage, QLA methodology. It's not just a business coaching program, it's a blueprint designed to catapult entrepreneurs into a realm of rapid and substantial success. A unique methodology, which has transformed countless lives, helping them to leap from where they are to where they want to be. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to Dan Pena's extraordinary journey, his unique approach, and the lessons he's taught the world. So the question is, what's the secret behind Dan Pena's extraordinary success? How did he become the $50 billion man? What can we learn from his life and his methods? Stay tuned as we unfold the chapters of his life, his beliefs, and his teachings. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of the $50 billion man. Chapter 1. Why self-esteem is so important. What does self-esteem have to do with becoming a high-performance person? According to Dan Pena, everything. Yes, you heard it right. Self-esteem holds the key to unlocking the door to success. But what does this really mean? Let's dig into the mind of Dan Pena, the $50 billion man, a living testament to the power of self-esteem. In his world, self-esteem is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental building block in the architecture of success. Pena firmly believes that self-esteem is the engine that drives high-performance individuals. He shares that successful business leaders all have one thing in common: a strong sense of self-worth. They believe in their abilities, and this belief fuels their drive to excel, to go beyond the ordinary, to reach for the extraordinary. But here's the catch. According to Pena, this self-esteem is typically built during the first 7 to 8 years of life. It's like laying the foundation for a skyscraper. The stronger the foundation, the higher you can build. The more robust your self-esteem, the greater your potential for success. Now, you might ask, what if I didn't develop that high self-esteem early in life? Is it too late for me? According to Pena, the answer is a resounding no. It may be challenging, but it's not impossible. Pena suggests that you can still cultivate high self-esteem later in life. How? By surrounding yourself with individuals who already possess it. You see, self-esteem is contagious. If you immerse yourself in an environment where self-esteem is the norm, you're likely to catch it. You become a reflection of the company you keep. So, seek out those who believe in themselves, who are confident, who are not afraid to dream big and pursue those dreams with relentless determination. Let their energy, their confidence, their self-belief rub off on you. Remember, self-esteem is not just about feeling good about yourself, it's about believing in your capacity to achieve your goals, no matter how lofty they may be. Remember, you are the company you keep. Surround yourself with people who have high self-esteem and see how it transforms your life. Chapter 2. High-performance lifestyle. Do you think being a high performer is a part-time job? Think again. Consider the perspective of Dan Pena, a man who turned an $820 investment into a multi-million-dollar fortune in the oil industry. He is a testament to the commitment required to become a high-performance person. For him, it is not a hobby or an afterthought, it's a way of life. Pena firmly believes that high performance is a full-time job. It requires constant effort, a relentless pursuit of goals, and a dedication that permeates every aspect of one's life. It's not about clocking in and out, it's about living and breathing the pursuit of success. But what does this commitment look like in practice? It's about sacrifice. Pena emphasizes that you need to be willing to give up temporary comfort for long-term gain. It's about foregoing immediate gratification in favor of the bigger picture. It's about understanding that the road to success is paved with hard choices, and that these choices are worth making. However, Pena has observed a common trend. Many people are unwilling to make these sacrifices, They want the rewards of high performance without the dedication it demands. They want the glory without the grit. But Pena is quick to dispel this illusion. There are no shortcuts, no easy routes. High performance is earned, not given. Pena's commitment extends beyond his personal success. He has a burning desire to leave a legacy, to make an impact that will resonate long after he's gone. He wants to inspire future generations to embrace the high-performance lifestyle, to understand that it is within their reach if they're willing to put in the work. So if you find yourself wondering how to step up your game, how to elevate your performance, consider Pena's wisdom. Understand that high performance is more than just a job, it's a lifestyle. It's about making sacrifices, putting in the effort, and above all, committing to your goals. High performance is a full-time job, not a side gig. Remember that and let it guide you on your journey to success. Chapter 3, Don't Be a Snowflake. What's the difference between a snowflake and a successful entrepreneur? The ability to take action. Dan Pena has often spoken about how the fear of making mistakes holds many people back from reaching their potential. He believes this fear is the main distinction between those who merely dream and those who actively chase their dreams. As an entrepreneur, you have to be willing to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. This is the path to growth and success. Pena's philosophy isn't about avoiding mistakes, it's about embracing them. Every mistake, every failure is a stepping stone to success. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become a better entrepreneur. So don't fear mistakes, welcome them. They are your teachers guiding you on the path to success. But where does this fear come from? According to Pena, it often stems from poor role models. People who haven't achieved high performance can't teach others how to do so. They pass on their fears, their limitations, their belief in impossibility. And this can be a significant obstacle in the path of those aspiring to be high-performance individuals. This is why Pena emphasizes the importance of surrounding oneself with the right influences. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, surround yourself with successful entrepreneurs. Learn from their experiences, their mistakes, and their successes. Let their mindset, their unwavering belief in possibility, rub off on you. Pena often refers to those who let their fears and limitations hold them back as snowflakes. But he firmly believes that anyone can break free from this mindset. Anyone can become a successful entrepreneur. It's all about embracing the right mindset, taking action, and not being afraid to make mistakes. So, ask yourself, are you a snowflake, letting your fears and limitations hold you back? Or are you an entrepreneur, ready to take action, ready to learn from your mistakes, ready to achieve success? Don't be a snowflake, be a trailblazer. Chapter 4, Accountability. Did you think success comes from just reading and listening to podcasts? This is where Dan Pena, the $50 billion man, comes in to set the record straight. He believes that while acquiring knowledge is important, it's only one piece of the success puzzle. The missing piece? Accountability and action. Pena emphasizes that the path to success is paved with more than just good intentions or well-absorbed information. It's about rolling up your sleeves and diving into action. It's about holding yourself accountable, setting goals, and taking concrete steps towards achieving them. It's not just about dreaming big, but also doing big. He asserts that many of us fall into the trap of being knowledge junkies, constantly consuming information without putting it into action. We listen to podcasts, read books, attend seminars, but then we stop. We don't implement what we've learned. According to Pena, this is where many of us get it wrong. The real magic happens when we take that knowledge and put it into action. Accountability, he says, is what separates the dreamers from the doers. It's the bridge between goal setting and goal achieving. It's about owning your decisions, your actions, and ultimately your results. It's about taking responsibility for your own success, and not blaming external factors when things don't go as planned. Pena believes that success is not a passive pursuit. It's an active endeavor that requires dedication, hard work, and, most importantly, action. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and into the realm of the unknown, where success truly lies. So, let's take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, are you just a consumer of knowledge, or are you an active participant in your own success story? Are you holding yourself accountable for your actions and their outcomes? Remember, knowledge without action is just trivia. Pena's words serve as a powerful reminder that success is not just about what you know, but what you do with what you know. So let's stop merely collecting information and start using it to change our lives for the better. Chapter 5, What is money for you? How do you view money, as the root of all evil or a tool to achieve your goals? From the perspective of Dan Pena, the $50 billion man, money isn't the villain you've been told about. Rather, it's a tool, a means to an end. It's the key that opens doors to your dreams, the bridge that carries you over the chasm of impossibility to the land of possibilities. But remember, the tool is only as good as the one who wields it. That's why Dan emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision of your goals and aspirations. He encourages you to surround yourself with like-minded individuals, those who won't just ride the wave with you, but also help build the tide. And amidst all this, don't forget the person at the very center, you. Your well-being, your peace of mind, your growth are paramount. Take care of yourself, and don't fret about others' opinions. After all, it's your journey, your story to write. Chapter 6, Resilience and Determination. Life isn't a bed of roses, and Dan Pena knows this all too well. This isn't a man who had success handed to him, but a man who fought tooth and nail for every victory, every accomplishment. His story is a testament to the power of resilience and determination. Dan Pena firmly believes that life is not always a walk in the park. It's filled with ups and downs, trials and tribulations. And it is through these challenges that we truly discover our strength. He knows that the path to success is often paved with setbacks and hardships, but it is our reaction to these obstacles that defines us. Pena's philosophy is simple yet powerful. Resilience and determination are key. He believes that when life knocks you down, you get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going. You don't allow the setbacks to define you, but rather, you use them as fuel to propel yourself forward. Because success, as Pena often says, is not about never falling, but about rising every time we fall. And it is with this infectious energy and unwavering belief in the power of perseverance that Pena motivates his audience. He encourages each one of us to take control of our lives, to not shy away from the challenges but to tackle them head-on. He reminds us that the path to success is not easy, but the reward at the end is well worth the effort. Pena's message is clear. We all have the power to overcome obstacles, to rise above challenges, and to achieve our goals. But it takes resilience, it takes determination, and it requires us to keep pushing forward, no matter what. So, as you navigate your own path to success, remember the words of Dan Pena. Remember his unwavering determination, his relentless resilience, and his fiery passion. Let his story inspire you. Let his words motivate you. And most importantly, keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles. Chapter 7, Recap. So, what have we learned from the $50 billion man? We've been on a journey, dissecting the mindset and strategies of Dan Pena. We've understood the power of self-esteem in being a high-performance individual, how it's not an overnight task, but a full-time commitment that demands sacrifice and effort. We've highlighted the importance of taking action, even if it means making mistakes and not being afraid of them. We've underscored the significance of personal accountability in achieving success, and that it's not just about absorbing information, but about putting it into action. We've challenged ourselves to rethink our values and focus on our goals. We've been reminded that resilience is key. Life isn't always smooth sailing. We've learned from the man who turned an $820 investment into a multi-million-dollar fortune that success is within our reach if we're willing to work for it. Which successful person would you like to learn more about? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more.